Hey guys, I'm back with another microwave video, and I'm going to boil some water for 1 minute. Focus. Oh, let me put it down.
We just think it's from moving it a little bit. We tried putting that little cement, thing there so that it didn't move too much.
Got the water.
It's just plastic, that it's attached to.
There. Open the door. In there. 1, 0, 0. And hit start. Simple as that.
You found a beaver.
Can you put your hand? If you put your hand in, you can
Make him talk.
Give me your little hand puppet. There you go.
What is that? A little beaver? Beaver band.
Nice. There you go.
I don't know. Does he bite?
Okay, let's check it. It's getting warm. Close the door. Start again.
That's why he eats trees, yep.
He found one.
Just like in the last video, it is a Whirlpool. And the light's going 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there it is. It's end. Steaming hot.
Could you pet my beaver?
Bye-bye now.
Right.